Hello, my most amazing artists. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a Wayne Thiebaud inspired ice cream cone. And I'm going to do this using Quick Sticks tempera paint sticks for this today. I'm going to start with a black one, but you could do this with whichever color you prefer. And the first thing I'm going to draw is the cone of my ice cream cone. And to start that, I'm just going to draw a V about halfway up on the paper. And then I'm going to leave room up there for my ice cream. So I'm going to add that little wavy bottom line of my scoop, the two sides, because I'm going to add a scoop on top, just like that. And I think I'm even going to add a little cherry. You could add other toppings if you like, or even another scoop. It's your ice cream. I'm going to add a little kind of detail here to make it look like a waffle cone. And then I'm going to add some color. Now, in Wayne Thiebaud's artwork, his ice cream and other food that he paints looks realistic because he uses value to create a shadow. So first I'm going to color my ice cream the base color. I'm starting with pink on this one. And then I'm going to select a darker color for the shadow. I'm not going to use black for the shadow. I'm just going to use a darker color, a darker value. So if I'm using pink, I could use a darker like purple or a dark pink or red for my shadow. Here I use kind of a golden yellow for my cones. I'm using a brown to add that shadow. Also, pay attention to where you put your shadows. The shadows should be on the same side. So I'm going to put my shadow on the right side of the ice cream, on the right side of the cone, and I'm even putting a little shadow underneath where the ice cream would cast that shadow. Same on the cone and on the scoop below it, and a little shadow on my cherry. I'm also going to go in and just add a little bit of highlight with white, just a little bit on the opposite side from the shadow to create that nice 3D effect with my value. Once you're all done with the basics of your ice cream cone, you can go in and add more details like sprinkles or other toppings, or maybe even a background if you like, to your ice cream. So get creative. And most importantly, have fun.